Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the time and materials staff augmentation model. Step 1. Figure out what skills you need. Maybe it's a developer or a marketing expert. Step 2. Find a reliable staffing partner. Look for someone with a good track record. Step 3. Set clear expectations. Make sure everyone knows the project scope and deadlines. Step 4. Keep an eye on progress. Regular check-ins help keep things on track. And that's it. Follow these steps to make the most of the time and materials model. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.